Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to receive money on Wise. So simply just open your main dashboard, and after that here you can see send money and receive money option. So simply just click on receive money, and now after that when you click on receive money you will move to next page. So simply select your currency here, like I am selecting the Australian dollars, and after that click on confirm. And now here you can see complete these steps. To get your account details you will get the following account details: BSB code, account number. So simply just click on get account details, and now here you can see first to get account detail you need to add money. You will be able to use this money later. So in order to receive money you have to first add this money into Wise, and after that you will be able to receive any money. So simply we click on continue, and now here use your phone to verify your identity. So simply you can get link by email. So simply just click here. So here you can see if you want to verification to email you have to open your email in your mobile. So simply we go back and click on get link another way. So here you can also use your phone camera or QR code to scan it. So simply you can also do this. So I click on I have finished verifying. So now in this way when you verify your account, simply you have to add the first money that would appear already here. So in order to do this, first you have to complete your verification, and after that you have to add money in your Wise, and in this way you can receive money on Wise.